This year's National Redline Day is hosted by the Three Blind Mice and the Four Horsemen. I'm going to be restoring a custom Camaro, which was one of the original Sweet 16. This car was severely pitted, and you can see from these pictures after I removed the paint, you can see how bad the pitting was. Now, after I cleaned up the casting a little bit with an acid dip and I used some Scotch-Brite and brass wire brushes, you can see how bad the pits really are. Apologize, I don't have any photographs of this car before I started. Kind of forgot to turn the camera on, but you get the idea. The casting is solid, but the corrosion really got to the base metal. So what I'm going to need to do is fill these pits in as best as I can with some Tamiya white putty, and then carefully sand around all the body lines to fill the pits in as best as I can. Now, because I can't really polish this car, what I'm going to wind up doing is just priming the car. So I'm doing all the body work ahead of time. I'm going to give it a flat black paint job. That'll act as my base, and then the next thing I'm going to do is hit this car with some Createx Quicksilver Chrome. We're going to mask off the roof, and because I want to keep that flat back, then we will spray the Quicksilver Chrome over the rest of the body, and it comes out pretty nice this way. Because what I'm going to wind up doing is painting this car with Createx Candy 2.0 paint. I'm going to use a deep purple and give this car kind of the rare combination of the purple custom Camaro from the original Sweet 16 series. I also put some brand new red lines from Bright Vision. These are the deep dish wheels. I just think they look best. You can get both versions, the deep dish and the non-deep dish. Painted in all the details, did the tail lights, did the front grille. Suspension works really good. Here is the finished product. I didn't show a lot of steps in the process here, but I think most people have seen enough restoration videos now, they kind of know what I went through, but I'm just trying to show what kind of results you can achieve using the Quicksilver Chrome over some body work and then spraying the Candy 2.0 over top of the Quicksilver Chrome. I think it gave this car a really nice original look without having to grind things out and polish to try to remove the pits, because there's no way you can get rid of them, or you can't really plate them up with zinc plating. They're just too deep. So here's a shot of it on the rotating stand, and I'm going to show a few glamour shots at the end, and this will be a relatively quick video, but the results, I think, speak for themselves. So I want to thank the Three Blind Mice and the Four Horsemen for hosting this year. This National Redline Day, I believe this is the third year that this has been held. It started with Diecast Outcast and kind of went from there. And it's kind of fun every year. Everyone gets together and does a redline restoration. Once again, I'd like to thank the Three Blind Mice and the Four Horsemen for hosting National Redline Day this year. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please click like and subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.